In today's world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing various industries. From healthcare to hospitality, AI tools are being used to streamline processes and improve efficiency. Today, we're going to take a look at 5 newly released AI tools and how they can benefit you. So let's get started. First up, we have CastMagic. Their website URL is www.castmagic.io. This AI tool is designed to help video creators and marketers create better content. CastMagic uses AI to analyze video content and provide real-time feedback on the quality of the content. It also provides recommendations on how to improve the content for better engagement. Next, we have AI Lawyer Pro. Their website URL is www.alawyer.pro. This AI tool is designed to assist lawyers and law firms in their legal research. With AI Lawyer Pro, lawyers can search through case law, statutes, and regulations to find relevant information quickly and easily. It can also help lawyers draft legal documents and contracts. Moving on, we have Karoot. Their website URL is www.karoot.app. This AI-powered mobile app connects car owners with trusted and verified car mechanics and service providers in their local area. With Karoot, users can easily find and book appointments with certified mechanics and service centers nearby. The app also provides real-time updates on the status of the service and allows users to pay for services directly through the app. Our fourth AI tool is MyDoula. Their website URL is www.mydoula.pro. This website provides doula services to expecting parents. A doula is a trained professional who provides emotional, physical, and informational support to expecting mothers before, during, and after childbirth. MyDoula aims to help expecting parents navigate the challenges of pregnancy and childbirth with the help of a dedicated and experienced doula. Finally, we have Lavo. Their website URL is www.lavo.ai. This AI software company specializes in developing AI solutions for the hospitality industry. Lavo's AI-powered platform helps restaurants and food service operators automate and streamline their back-of-house operations, including inventory management, supply chain optimization, and recipe costing. The platform uses machine learning algorithms to analyze data and generate actionable insights and recommendations that help operators make data-driven decisions and optimize their operations for greater efficiency and profitability. And there you have it, 5 newly released AI tools with their website URLs that can benefit you. From video content creation to legal research, car maintenance, childbirth support, and hospitality operations, these AI tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Which one will you try first? Let us know in comments. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe our channel 24/7's Trendy Talks, and don't forget to like the video.